Hey Caitlyn, what are you working on?
Oh, hey Kyle. I have a PLC meeting tomorrow. I'm just making some notes on some strategies I'm using.
That's great. Professional learning communities are an amazing resource. But in my experience, teachers can be a little individualistic. What can we do to break out of that mindset?
As an educator, teachers have lots of responsibilities, from lesson planning to monitoring students. At times it can feel like they have to close the classroom door and become self-reliant. But I want to encourage educators to open up their classroom doors and seek help. There's resources at their school, like their administrators, their school counselors, instructional coaches, and of course, fellow teachers. All these individuals can provide a wide perspective, support with new initiatives, and insight to effective methodologies.
Great, so what would you say are some important factors for creating a successful PLC?
Well, every PLC can be successful as long as they are intentional and that they set their goals and they take the steps to achieve those goals. One idea is that they could assign roles in their PLC, like a facilitator, someone to help guide the meeting. But everyone needs to be honest about their successes, open to sharing materials, and also it's very important that they give positive feedback to everyone.
Great, and I'm so glad that you mentioned feedback because we can always count on getting feedback from observations. And usually it's the administrators that are doing those observations. So how can we put aside nervousness and defensiveness and make the most out of that feedback?
Well, it's natural to feel anxious when you have someone else in your room, whether it's a scheduled observation or not. But it's important to remember that everyone in the school wants their teachers to succeed. Part of the administrator's job is to provide professional development for their staff. It may come across negative, but it's actually positive feedback. Communication is key here, so be open to suggestions and to work to implement these strategies into your classroom.
Great. Thanks for chatting with me today and good luck with your PLC.
No problem, Kyle. While you're here, I'd love for you to look over my notes.
Yeah, absolutely.